Today we are going to make a heart-shaped cake. The ingredients you need for the cake are oil, milk, sugar, gluten-free flour, eggs, and cornstarch. Separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Submerge the egg yolks in the milk and the oil. Start beating the egg whites on low speed. Add in half of the sugar and increase the speed to high when they start turning white. Add in half of the remaining sugar when lines start to form on the surface. Add in the remaining sugar and the cornstarch at soft peaks. Beat on medium speed to medium peaks. Mix the egg yolks with the milk and the oil. Add in the flour. Mix until it looks like this. Fold some of the egg whites into the egg yolks. Fold that back into the remaining egg whites. Pour it into a heart-shaped cake mold. My mold is 8 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. Bake at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. After removing from the oven, let it cool upside down for at least 2 hours and then remove it from the mold. Cut it into 2 slices. Beat 2 cups of whipped cream to stiff peaks. Assemble the layers of the cake. Cake slice, whipped cream, blueberry or any other fruit of your choice, whipped cream, cake slice. Cover the top and sides of the cake with whipped cream. Make it smooth using a hot cake knife. Mix the remaining whipped cream with a teaspoon of red rice flour. Use a medium star piping tip to pipe a border around the bottom of the cake. Pipe a border around the top of the cake. Use a spatula to smear part of the border onto the surface of the cake. Using a small round tip, pipe the word love on the smeared part of the cake.